guys, I'm going to show you how to construct a congruent segment and a perpendicular bisector. We're going to start with perpendicular bisector first. Notice that it says your final answer should be exactly one blue line, not a line segment. And then here are all your tools. So what's really nice is this in Delta Math has a compass that you can use and it doesn't move. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the center of the compass, which is the first little piece there, and you're going to click and hold and stretch it out past halfway. So don't have a little circle this way, past the midway point, okay? Just kind of estimate that. All right. And then as you move your mouse along the edge, you can see that it makes a little pencil. If you'll click and drag along that arc, you can make a little mark. I'm going to make an arc mark on both sides. Okay. And I made mine a little bit longer maybe than what you have to, but if it's not long enough, then you have to go back, and I would rather not. Then I move the center of the circle, not this point, the center of my compass to the other point, okay? Do you see now why I made a longer arc? Because I'm going to make an arc where they intersect, just like this here, and where they intersect on this piece as well. Okay, if you want to make the full arc, you are certainly welcome to, so that way you can see that and you can do it on the first piece as well. Then I'm going to use a line, and I'm going to start at this point at where the two arcs intersect, and this point. I click and drag it across. My final answer is an exactly blue line, and then I will hit submit answer, and it will tell you if your answer is correct or not. If your answer is not correct, you can look to see how to do it. And also up here it says step 1. It tells you exactly what to do. And then you can make your mark there. You can see that they made the entire arc. You don't have to, but you certainly can. So now what we're going to do is this assignment says copy a segment, but really you are going to create a segment that is the exact same length as GH, a congruent segment. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with a compass, and you're going to click and drag it all the way to the other point. Okay, and you're going to get so now I've measured it with my compass. Now I'm going to take the center of my circle, or of my compass, okay, the center point, and move it to G prime, which is your new segment, okay? And I'm going to use my little pencil here and make a little mark, okay? So now anywhere from G prime, anywhere on this arc is going to be the same length as GH, okay? Just by radius, right? All the radius is the same. And then it says one blue segment. So I'm going to use the segment piece, and I'm going to click and drag it to a point on the arc here. Click and drag, and I'm going to hit submit answer. Do you want to submit it? And I have a green check. Again, it will show you exactly how to do this. It will walk you through it if you miss it for whatever reason, and you can try again. All right, so that's it. So this is copy a segment or construct a congruent segment. And the first one was constructing a perpendicular bisector. Remember, cutting it exactly in half. And that's it for the construction piece. So what you'll do is you're going to practice making sure you get each one of these pieces 3 times in a row to perfection. So it will have a green check. You'll have 100 out of 100. So if you mess up on one, you have to start all over. So you want to make sure that you get these 3 in a row. And that is it.